Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 Skoda Slavia builds upon its predecessor's strengths, introducing notable enhancements in design, features, and overall value. This compact sedan continues to cater to drivers seeking a blend of style, comfort, and performance. Design and exterior. The Slavia's design philosophy remains rooted in Skoda's signature aesthetics, characterized by clean lines and a modern silhouette. The 2025 model maintains its sleek profile, with subtle updates to the front grille and headlamp design, lending a refreshed appearance. LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights, DRLs, are now standard across all variants, enhancing both visibility and visual appeal. The introduction of new color options, including lava blue and carbon steel, offers buyers more choices to suit their preferences. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Slavia continues to impress with its spacious and well-appointed cabin. High-quality materials and thoughtful ergonomics create a comfortable environment for both driver and passengers. The 2025 update introduces additional features aimed at enhancing convenience and luxury. Notably, the mid-spec signature variant now includes an electric sunroof, rain-sensing wipers, and an auto-dimming interior rear-view mirror, elevating the overall driving experience. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the Slavia offers two turbocharged petrol engine options. The 1.0-liter TSI engine delivers a balanced mix of efficiency and performance, while the more potent 1.5-liter TSI engine caters to those seeking a spirited drive. The latter is now exclusively available with an automatic transmission, reflecting Skoda's focus on providing refined driving dynamics. Both engines comply with the latest emission standards, underscoring Skoda's commitment to environmental responsibility. Technology and connectivity. Keeping pace with modern demands, the 2025 Slavia is equipped with an updated infotainment system featuring a larger touchscreen interface. This system supports seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring drivers remain connected while on the move. Higher variants also offer wireless charging and a premium audio system, catering to tech-savvy consumers. Safety features. Safety remains a priority for Skoda, and the Slavia reflects this commitment. The sedan boasts a comprehensive suite of safety features, including multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic stability control, escape, and a rear-view camera. The 2025 model continues to uphold its impressive safety ratings, providing peace of mind to occupants. Variants and pricing. The 2025 Slavia is available in 5 distinct variants: Classic, Signature, Sportline, Monte Carlo, and Prestige. Each variant caters to different customer preferences, offering a range of features and options. In a strategic move to enhance competitiveness, Skoda has adjusted the pricing for the 2025 model year. The base model now starts at a superscript 110.34 lakh, reflecting a reduction of up to a superscript 145,000 compared to the previous year's pricing. This repositioning aims to provide greater value to customers without compromising on quality or features. Conclusion. The 2025 Skoda Slavia continues to uphold the brand's reputation for delivering quality vehicles that balance style, performance, and practicality. With its refreshed